On the 7th of December, Qualcomm announced its latest processor, the Snapdragon 845. This brings better low-light performance for the camera, a faster performance and a longer battery life. Both a fingerprint sensor and an iris scanner are rumored for inclusion. The display size of Samsung Galaxy S9 will be 5.8 inch and the Android version will be 8.0, which is called Oreo. There may be 6 GB RAM and 64 GB internal space, up to 256 GB with microSD card. It will come powerful octa-core processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. 12-megapixel dual rear-facing camera with 10x optical zoom and 1000 fps and 8-megapixel front camera may be available in Samsung S9. Cat18 LTE support, 1.2 gigabits per second download speeds, in this mobile. It is expected that Samsung launched this mobile in March 2018, while recent rumors suggest the S9 will launch in January 2018. The price of the Samsung Galaxy S9 may be $880. If you like this video, please click the like button and comment about what is you want to see, and also subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you.